In this video, you'll learn how to make a beautiful and delicate origami paper flower using a simple square sheet of paper. This tutorial is designed especially for beginners, so even if you've never tried origami before, you'll be able to follow along easily. I'll take you through each fold slowly and clearly, turning a flat piece of paper into a lovely flower with carefully shaped petals. No glue, scissors, or extra materials are needed. Just your hands and a little bit of time. The final result looks creative and elegant, yet the process is calming and enjoyable. Once the flower is folded, I'll also show you how to gently puff it up to give it a nice 3D look, making it more realistic. And if you want to display your flower upright, I'll demonstrate how to add a simple green paper stem, giving your flower a complete and finished look. This craft is not only fun, but it's also a great way to relax and focus. Making origami can reduce stress and give a real sense of satisfaction. These paper flowers can be used in many ways, as handmade gifts, decorations for greeting cards, party and wedding decor, classroom projects, or even just as a creative activity to enjoy on your own or with kids. You can make a single flower or create an entire colorful bouquet. Use different paper colors, sizes, or even patterned paper to add your personal touch. Whether you're crafting for fun, learning something new, or decorating for a special event, this origami flower is a great choice. If you find this video helpful or enjoyable, please support the channel by giving it a like and subscribing for more creative and easy tutorials like this. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments. I'd love to hear how your flower turned out or what you'd like to see in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy making this peaceful and beautiful paper craft.